Fighting 101 with Amy. First up, blocking. First up, you want to put your hands up like this. Next, when the fighter's in your face and trying to hit your face, you want to move up your knee. Wait, okay, like this. Did you see? So I will show you an example. This is me coming in as a fighter. Next up is punching. First for punching, you have to get in this position, straight position, with hands together. Then, when you get close to your enemy, if you have a long arm reach, you can go like this. Now it's kicking. Get into a flamingo position and go like this. Yeah! Now you put it all together with a block, punch, 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 and flamingo kick. Thank you for watching how to kick, punch, and and block.